to meet an open rebellion. Any backwards thinker who still believes the earth is round. To declare that the reign of error is at an end is the duty of each member from the Society of the Flat Earth. The misinformation campaign began 3,000 years ago in ancient Greece. One of Aristotle's proofs for the supposed spherical nature of the Earth was that southern constellations of the night sky appear to rise as one travels south. But ordinary perspective will make an object in the sky appear higher as the observer gets near to it. Like a man walking under a long row of lampposts, those which he approaches seem to get higher, and those left behind appear gradually lower. In the Bishop experiment, a relatively small amateur telescope was used by Tom Bishop to look across the California Monterey Bay. Tom lay down on his stomach near the seawater on the beach at Lover's Point, training his modern spyglass on the other side of the bay, where he saw Lighthouse State Beach, 24 miles away. If the Earth was round, water would follow its curvature. A distance of 24 miles should have put a hill of water between the two beaches, a hill of salt water, 300 feet high. Instead, the entire Lighthouse Beach was visible to Bishop, down to the waves crashing on the opposite shore. He saw people sunbathing on the sands, teenagers throwing frisbees, runners jogging along the water's edge with their dogs, and children chasing each other in and out of the surf. He gazed over the flat plain of the sea, proving the flatness of the world that supports it. In 2002, a joint topographical study conducted by the Departments of Geography at Texas State University and Arizona State University used computer models to prove that the state of Kansas is flatter than a pancake. Researchers Mark Fonstad, William Bugach, and Brandon Vogt literally compared the flatness of a pancake to the flatness of Kansas. The same computations have since been used to further demonstrate there are 6 more states, including Florida, that are even flatter, according to the geographers at Kansas State University. The emblem of the United Nations is what the Earth really looks like. Its true form is a disk, having the North Pole in the center. The Earth is surrounded on all sides by a mighty wall of ice, a frigid barrier that serves to hold in our oceans and protect us from that which lies beyond. The ice wall is what explorers have named Antarctica. No one has breached the outer edge of the ice wall and returned to tell the tale. Our cycles of day and night are easily explained. The sun moves in circles around the North Pole. Acting in the manner of a spotlight, the sun shines only downward as it moves. When the sun is over our heads, it is day. When it's not, it's night. In spite of the official seal of NASA, depicting a home world in the form of a globe, they know not the true shape of the world. In 1958, political deal-maker and Senate Majority Leader Lyndon B. Johnson sat on a special committee to determine the fate of the U.S. Army Ballistic Missile Arsenal, located in Florida. The committee decided to give the arsenal a new name. They called it the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA's early rocket research is well documented as a complete failure, plagued by one disaster after another. After the Apollo 1 disaster, they determined to completely falsify the space program to the public. NASA transitioned overnight from a string of launch failures to a track record which became nearly flawless. Those who have seen all the evidence will believe in the flat Earth, such as the point guard for the Cleveland Cavaliers, Kyrie Irving, English musician of the New Wave, Thomas Dolby, WWE wrestler, AJ Styles, co-host of The View on ABC, Sherry Shepherd, and the renowned Irish playwright, George Bernard Shaw.